Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up a secure Cloudflare tunnel. To begin, open your Cloudflare dashboard and go to your account homepage. This is the main starting point where you can access the different networking and security tools available in your account. If you manage more than one account or zone, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct one before continuing. Starting from the right account helps avoid confusion later when you create and manage the tunnel. Once you are on the account home screen, look to the left side navigation menu and click on Networking. This section contains the tools related to connections, routing, and secure access between Cloudflare and your services. If you are new to the dashboard, the left navigation is where most of the core settings are organized, so it is a good place to get familiar with. After that, click on Overview. The Overview page gives you a high-level look at the networking options available in your account, and it is also where you can begin creating a new tunnel. This page acts as the central area for getting started, so if you are not sure where to go next, this is the right place. From the Overview page, click on Create a Tunnel. This starts the setup process for a new Cloudflare tunnel. A tunnel allows you to securely expose a service without opening inbound ports directly to the public internet, which is one reason it is commonly used for safer remote access and application publishing. When prompted, enter a sample name for your tunnel. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you expect to create multiple tunnels for different environments or services. For example, you might use a name that reflects the application, server, or purpose of the tunnel. Keeping names organized can save time when managing settings in the future. Next, click Create Tunnel and follow the on-screen procedure. Cloudflare will guide you through the remaining setup steps inside the interface. Read each instruction carefully as you go, since the exact prompts may vary depending on your operating system or the type of service you want to connect. It is a good idea to move slowly here and confirm each action before proceeding, especially when working in a production environment. Once you complete the on-screen setup, your secure Cloudflare tunnel will be ready for the next stage of configuration and use. That's the basic process to create the tunnel from the Cloudflare dashboard and begin setting it up securely.